Long press the program button to create a new program. Click the straight line button to insert the transition point. Press the drag button and drag to the target point. The position of the welding torch is adjusted by the robot rocker. Click the line motion button to insert the arc. Click the weld shift button successively to confirm the welding current and voltage. Here you can select the appropriate welding current and voltage by increase plus decrease button. Press shift to confirm the welding current and voltage. Then, through the increase plus decrease button, select the appropriate welding speed. After selection, press shift button to confirm the welding speed. After selection, press shift button to confirm the welding speed. Here you can adjust the appropriate swing width and frequency by using the increase, plus, and decrease buttons. Press the shift button to adjust the appropriate arc width and frequency. Finally, insert wobble start command. Press the robot drag button and drag to the target point. The position of the welding torch is adjusted by the robot rocker. Click the line motion button to insert the arc extinguishing point. Click the shift swing button successively to insert the swing stop command. Click the shift welding button successively to insert the arc extinguishing instruction. Click the straight line button to insert the transition point. Press the start button of the robot body to run the program.